Alright guys, today we are setting up the Keen Ramps SlapStick. Let's start building it. Alright, let's pop her open. Man, the coping doesn't look that thick in the... Golly, that thing is huge. It doesn't look that big on the videos. Damn. That thing is huge and heavy. Oh. That looks nice. The top parts. All right, let's move this stuff and get it set up. Came with this little pamphlet and stuff. Check this shit out. Boom, a bunch of stickers. Hell yeah, that's so sick. All right, we're pre-drilling the last screw that goes in on the sides, and then we'll start piecing it together. So now I'm gonna just put the top plates on. These pretty simple, they line up. All right, now that we got a little bit more space, let's see if we can do a little better this time. It's better with a little bit more speed. Oh, that felt kind of crazy on the round rail.
this was really fun. This was my first actual session with it. I tried it out the first day I got it for maybe like 20 minutes, and I had a lot of fun. Definitely gonna keep practicing. Obviously that's why I got it, because I suck at this shit, but gonna get better and gonna just keep practicing. I kept battling this 180 for a little while, and I got pretty close. I landed in like toe scrape, and that was like the closest I got, but maybe next time I'll get it. Peace.